Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Dipnotic Nails. Now, these two colors here are going to be releasing on January 13th, and they're going to be part of a new collection called the Colorado Winter Collection. And it is a collection that's ranged from light blues all the way to dark grays, and it's a mixture of shimmers and glitters. It's really pretty. So the first color here, it's called Flatiron, and you can see here, it's a really pretty like gunmetal gray. It's super stunning, and it has a shimmer to it as well. And it pairs perfectly with this fun glitter here called Pikes Peaks. Now you can see this is a very hypnotizing, beautiful holographic color shifting glitter, and it has like a gray base to it, and it's simply beautiful paired with flat irons. I really like these two colors together, and there's just something about this glitter that is so pretty, and I cannot stop staring at it. So here's a sneak peek of the new Colorado Winter Nights collection. There are 12 beautiful colors total in this collection. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing a set of press-on nails, and we're going to be doing the gel method, and we're going to start by dipping into flat irons first. Now you will see here when we are dipping into flat irons how pigmented it is with that first dip. As you know, Dipnotic Nails has really beautiful finely milled dip powders, and they're super creamy and buttery when you dip into them, especially the shimmers. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super simple, yet we have a pop of sparkle in there with that holographic glitter from Dipnotics. So a reminder that this collection is part of the Colorado Winter Collection, and you can get these powders individually, or you can get the entire collection that is releasing January 13th. I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on sets at home, and I'll see you in the next upload.